Hey guys, today I want to show you another photo shoot I was on. This one was a little different because it was an event hosted by Glo Studios in Cleveland. So yes, I'm going to show you guys behind the scenes footage of this photography event and then some fully edited pictures from the event. And yeah, I'll talk a little bit about the experience and just what it was really like and just how cool it was. So here is the footage from the event. It was really fun, so here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Just being there though, I feel like was just completely different than what I actually got to capture on the camera because it was just really, really huge. The studio is awesome, it's massive. It's kind of all open though, but they had, you know, like 5 different stations you could go to. They all had different themes. I think my favorite was the one with the TVs everywhere. And then also there were some very interesting ones like with clouds. Then they had like a more open space one with like a white backdrop with different colors being projected onto the background. And it was really cool. I enjoyed the holiday lights theme section of the studio. The only prop that was there were the lights. So because you were so limited to just those lights, it was actually freeing to make something unique. I felt like I had more creative freedom that way. Some of the other sections, I felt like they had so much stuff, it was kind of hard to take some stuff away because it was all just there. But the other themes are really cool though. I think I got some really good photographs from the TV section. It was just really cool to kind of get in like a sci-fi-esque mode and just take some cool pictures. It was intense because, you know, it's in a studio, you have a limited amount of time that you paid for, so you have to get in, get your shots, and then you're done. It was really cool to meet people and also reconnect with people that I met at Glo events over the summer. So it was just really cool over the winter to finally get in a studio and really work with more props and artificial light and LED lights and stuff like that, because usually I feel like I'm outside taking pictures, so this is a good change up for me. Anyways, I'm gonna throw on some edited pictures from this shoot and just let me know what you guys think about them. But I just think I got my best photos at the holiday lights section and at the TV station, the TV theme station or whatever. So let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I'll be back next week with a new video. All right, thank you guys again. See you next time. Everyone's wobbling. There we go. What is up, guys? Today I have another video. Of course, you know it's a video. Oh.